Hi friends, we are going to go to the mall. I want a black turtleneck. As soon as the light changes. Because, because it's like a classic stapley winter piece. I want one so I can tuck it into, I have this little like overall dress. I just want to be able to tuck it into jeans or skirts and make things more wintry. I want to layer my gold necklaces on top of it and it will be a nice classic look. I don't actually have one because I want one that's a little more form-fitting, not really tight, but more form-fitting than what I have, because I typically go for more like oversized sweaters and stuff. A, just because I like that, and B, just because it's what I'm more comfortable with and what I've always been more comfortable with, because it's, you know, oversized and it's not like hugging tight. But now that I'm skinty, I look really, my arms look really good driving around right now. It got like kind of hot, that's why I'm able to wear this. I'm wearing jeans, but that's why I'm wearing this little top. I got it on sale at Target for like, you are not in your lane, for like $9. I mean, it's flimsy and cheap, but even though it's not very wintry, I was like, it's on sale, I want it. It's cute. It's like cheetah. Love a good cheetah print. But yeah, want a nice black turtleneck so I can layer it over stuff. I feel like I'm taking a long time to describe this one article of clothing I want. Oh, there's a dog in this car. Oh, it's so cute. My buddy. Hi. Oh, he's so sweet. He's a sweet baby angel. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. That and a belt. Because I don't have any belts. For some reason, I've never really had like a lot of belts. And now I don't have one because the one I had over this last summer, not this past summer, but the summer before when I was in London, I got one. And that was when I was at my heaviest. So now like the smallest loop, little hole thing on it doesn't fit me. I need it to be like 3 more loops, which is like great for me now being a skinny queen, but not great for me because now I have to go get a belt. So hopefully H&M will have like a cheap one and I can get that. And my black turtleneck. Fingers crossed I have a black turtleneck at H&M. I went and looked at Urban Outfitters when I was there last weekend, and that's when I did my Urban Outfitters haul, which hopefully I've gotten up before this. I'm sure I will have gotten it up before this. So if you haven't seen that, I will link it here. I don't know. And in the description, so you can check that out. It was cute. I really liked it. I really liked having a new setup and being able to do stuff around there. That was really cool. But yeah. Oh yeah, the point is I didn't find a turtleneck in Urban Outfitters, which is probably for the best because it would have been overpriced for what it was anyway, so hopefully H&M has a cheap one. I wish we had a Zara. I don't have a Zara locally because that would be the first place. Oh, this dog is so cute. That would be the first place I would look because I know Zara is likely to have one, and they're also likely to have nice big chunky turtleneck sweaters. I want one of those too to put over like a mini skirt. That'd be really cute. Maybe I'll get some online from Zara. You know what's also funny that I don't think about until I went to England was because we did a few weekend trips where we would take like a big bus thing. It was just a big bus to places, and people in England and Europe aren't used to traveling really far to get across the country. Here in the US, we're like, oh yeah, we're on a road trip. It's gonna be like 9 hours, 12 hours. And we're like, yeah, that's normal. If you wanna cross a few states, it's gonna take a while. But in England, they're like a 3-hour trip? What? No, and I'm like, that's nothing. That's nothing! But just normal for us. Ah! Oh. Do you ever do that if your bubble like comes out? But then you're blowing like minty air into your eye? 0 out of 10, do not recommend. This dog is feeling his oats. He is living fun and fancy free. His little ears are like in the wind. It's so precious. Oh, I just love dogs. I love dogs so much. No! Damn it, that's why I just turned over because you're not supposed to turn. Why are you taking a dog to the hospital? Whew, okay, it's raining. Use my bag. Use my H&M canvas bag, because they're not doing plastic bags anymore. Either you have to pay or you have to buy this. So I got this like, I don't know, 2 months ago. Last time I was in H&M. And it's good because I use it for like my groceries and stuff too. I use canvas bags at the grocery store. Everyone should! If you're not doing that, they're cheap. They're usually like 99 cents and then you just keep reusing it and you save a bunch of plastic. But I got a turtleneck. I wanted a knit one, and this isn't actually like a knit sweater. It's a little thin, but it'll do for now. And some other stuff I probably shouldn't have gotten, but I got anyway. So yeah, I think that's it. I don't need to try on because I showed you the try on in the dressing room. So if you like this, leave a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you do that. It's down here somewhere. Yeah. If you want more shopping vlogs, I can't spend money all the time, but I do like, I like watching people do stuff like this. So if you want to see more of that, let me know. Phone storage just got full, so I'm using Snapchat really quick. But yeah, that's it. Thank you. I'll see you again next time. Bye.